Welcome to the Smart Science measurement video about enthalpy of neutralization. So we're going to combine acids and bases here, and we're going to see if those neutralization reactions have a measurable enthalpy. In other words, is there heat produced by those reactions, or is heat absorbed by those reactions, or does nothing happen when acids and bases combine and neutralize each other? So at the top of the screen, just notice there's a little flow chart here that shows you how we're doing this lab. First, we're going to prepare some solutions, calibrate the calorimeter. We're going to add in the first solution, probably an acid, then pipe in the second solution, that might be the base. And then afterwards, we'll just measure the temperature change. So to do this, we're going to click on the red level in the thermometer in each image, that red liquid inside the thermometer. When it gets warmer, it gets larger and it goes up the thermometer and you can measure the temperature. So the first thing you're going to do, considering this question, do neutralization reactions have a measurable enthalpy? In other words, do they put off enough heat or absorb enough heat where we can actually see something happening? And then to test that, you're going to start by creating a hypothesis. Now, in most classes, you're going to pick from a list. In advanced classes, you might write your own hypothesis. That's going to look like this, where it goes into that box right there. And then you've got a number of reactions we can try. Now, there's a calibration that you should do first. I'm just going to show you what that looks like, and then the rest of the reactions are the neutralizations. You've got hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. You've got a double hydrochloric with sodium hydroxide. You've got sulfuric acid with the sodium hydroxide. And finally, you've got the double hydrochloric acid with ammonia. So you've got 4 reactions you're going to try. But here's what the calibration looks like, just so you know in general how to measure. We press play, and we see the temperature go up the thermometer. So there's water, and here's the thermometer sticking out of the top of that calorimeter. So I can just click on that liquid level, and it's going to show me the change in temperature. Now remember, this is hot water going into room temperature water, so that is going to warm up every time I put another bit of hot water in. Volume added, 20 milliliters at a time, temperature change. This is going to give you a sense of the equipment and how it works. So we'll notice the hotter the water gets, right, the more it raises up there toward the top, and you can see what's happening here on this curve. Once you're done with a particular measurement, press save. The calibration is going to be in this gray-black color, but other graphs are going to be in other colors so that you can easily compare them. If you don't like your measuring, you can always reset. And once you've done all 5 of the graphs, you can compare them using the all button. Try to figure out if neutralizing acids and bases have a measurable change in heat in this Smart Science lab.